let's wave to the camera. Hello. Okay, and what is your name?
My name is Cat.
Your name is Cat, alright. And look at this scene. What is this? What room?
It's a kitchen.
It's a kitchen. Very good. It is a kitchen. Okay. And where is the clock?
It's between two cupboards.
It's between the two cupboards. Good job. You can point to the clock. Good job. And can you point to the pineapple?
Here.
Alright. And can you point to the girl?
Here.
Good job. And the boy?
Here.
Good job. Can you point to the TV?
Here.
And can you point to the window?
Here.
Good job. And like you said, can you point to the cupboard? One?
Here.
Good job. Okay. Look at these squares. I want you to tell me which one is the bread.
This one.
Good job. Which one's the guitar?
This one.
Good job. Which one's the box?
This one.
All right. And the airplane?
This one.
Good job. Which one's the bird?
This one.
Which one is the lizard?
This one.
Good job. Which one is the rice?
This one.
And the shoe?
This one.
All right. Okay. Can you put the bread on the table?
Here.
No, on the table?
Yeah.
Good job. Can you put the rice in between the pineapple and the TV?
Here.
Good job. Can you put the lizard on the clock?
Here.
Good job. Can you put the shoe underneath the table? Underneath?
This one.
Good job. All right. Now, what is this?
It's a robot.
It's a robot. Good job. And how many eyes does the robot have?
It has two eyes.
It has two eyes. What color are the eyes?
The red and white.
Good job. And what color is the robot?
It's blue.
It's a blue robot. Okay. What is the girl doing?
She's drawing.
She's drawing. Good job. And what is the mom doing?
She eating cake.
She's eating cake. Good job. All right. Now, next page. We'll leave those right there. Next page. Okay. So, what is this?
A shoes.
It's a shoe. And do you have shoes?
Yes, I do.
You do. What color are your shoes?
It's black and pink.
Black and pink, your shoes. Okay. And, what's this?
It's a bird.
It's a bird. Is it a big or a small bird?
Small bird.
It's a small bird. Good job. Do you like birds?
Yes, I do.
You do?
Yeah.
All right. And this? What is that?
Rice.
That's rice. Do you like rice?
Yes.
You do?
No?
Do you eat rice often?
Yes.
You do. Do you eat rice for breakfast, lunch, or dinner?
Dinner.
You eat rice for dinner.
Yeah.
Me too. All right. What's your favorite food?
My favorite fruit is beef.
Beef.
Yeah.
Okay. And what is this?
It's a lizard.
It's a lizard. What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is tiger.
Tiger. Okay, cool. And do you have a friend?
Yes.
What's their name?
His name is T.I.
Two-Eye. Okay. And how old are they?
He's 9 years old.
He's 9 years old. Okay. What kind of games do you like?
I like doll.
You like to play with dolls?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. All right, well that's it. Let's wave goodbye.
Bye.
All right, bye-bye.